Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Muhammad Wasim Yusuf, your English literature teacher, and this is our week number 10 of academic session 2020 and 2021. In the previous weeks, we have started our chapter number 2, Black Beauty. We have completed the reading, the explanation, and also few difficult words meaning. Just to give you an overview, this chapter is a part of a whole novel. The name of the novel is also Black Beauty, and it is written by Anna Sewell. And this is just one chapter from that the whole novel. And what's happening in this whole lesson is a young horse who is witnessing something new in his life for the first time, and that thing is hunting sport. So people are hunting hare or rabbit with their hounds, the hunting dogs, and they are riding on the horses as well. And this young horse who is telling the story is seeing all of this for the first time, and he is very amazed, astonished, and he is kind of a thinking about okay, why people are doing this. And then at the end, the mother of that same horse is telling although I am an old horse and I don't know a lot about it, but I have heard a great deal and I have been through a lot, and I have seen I could never understand why men are so fond of this sport, why they are so interested in doing all of this, and they are doing all of this just because for one rabbit or a fox or a stag. So this is kind of an awakening call for the people, like why you guys are hunting and uh, hurting your own self, hurting the crops, hurting other animals just to for fun and just for getting animal that you can get some other way as well. Anyhow, in this lesson, week number 10, we are going to start with our comprehension exercises on page number 21, and we are going to do first 4 questions in this video. So let's start with the question number A from part number 1. Question number A says, the horse says my mother and an old riding horse seem to know all about it. What was it that they knew about and how did they know? So in the question they are quoting a line from the chapter, and the line is my mother and an old riding horse, two persons, they seem to know all about it, what's happening. And now the two parts of the question are what was it that they knew about and how did they know? So you have to find the answer to this question, and what you have to do right now is you have to pause the video and write the answer in your rough notebook or jot it down anywhere wherever you are comfortable. And after you have done that, you can unpause the video and continue watching, and I will tell you what is the actual answer. Okay, so I hope so you guys have written the answer yourself, and let me explain the question again. It is being asked what was the thing, what was the event that the mother and an old riding horse knew about. So definitely what is happening roundabout is the hunting sport, so they knew about it, what's happening around, why people are on people on the horses are running, and why there are hounds, and why a rabbit is running in front of them. So they knew about the hunt. And how did they know? So definitely those two horses, the mother and an old riding horse, are definitely older horses. They have spent a huge deal of their lives being a horse, and they knew this thing by their own experience. They may have seen this in their life, and they may also have been part of this. So this is how they know about this. So I hope you guys are clear about it. If you have any other problem, I am just going to share the answer on the screen and you can write it from there. But it is better if you should write in your own words. Let's go to the question number B. Question number B says, why did the dogs stop barking and begin to run about with their noses to the ground? So in the middle of the story, which you can see from page number 19, at the end of the page number 19, they have lost the scent. Why those dogs have lost the scent? The question is saying, okay, why did they stop barking and begin to run about their noses to the ground? So if you go to the page number 19, almost at the end, you will see that the dogs, they had come to a stand. The dogs left off barking, and ran about every way with their noses on the ground. I think you may have seen the dogs. They were sniff. They do sniff, around the ground to search for food or something like that. So actually, they lost the scent of rabbit, and that is why they were searching for them. So the answer to this question would be, okay, the dogs stopped barking because they actually lost the scent of the hare and they were searching for it. Let's go to the question number C, and this is the question that you guys will be doing yourself. Which lines tell us that some of the horses wanted to join the horses on the hunt? And what did they wish to join in with? Is about K. Lines are exactly in the lesson which tell us that there are horses who wanted to join the hunt. So if you I can just give you a hint that this answer is on page number 19. So again, you have to pause the video and find those exact lines and just underline them or pinpoint them, and then I'm going to tell you exactly where those lines are from. So on page number 19, on the third last paragraph, if you can see, after them came a number of men on horseback. In this paragraph, if you go to the second line, this is where we can understand that young horses wanted to, sorry, the old horses wanted to join them. And the old horses snorted and looked eagerly after them, and we young colts wanted to be galloping with them. So this is the line or a part of a line which actually tells us that the horses wanted to join the horses who are doing the hunt, and what they wish to join in with, what they actually wanted to do. And the same line tells us that we young colts wanted to be galloping with them. Galloping is our running of the horses. So they wanted to gallop with them. Let's go to the fourth question, and that is our last question for this video, and then the remaining of the questions will be done in the lesson number 2 of week number 10. So question number D is, why was the hare wild with fright? So fright means he was frightened, he was afraid, and he was wild with fright, like he was extremely frightened that he is acting now wildly. So why was he frightened? So you can again pause the video, or if you know the answer, just jot it down in your rough notebook or somewhere, and then compare it with the exact answer that I'm going to tell in a moment. Okay, ji. I hope so everybody got the answer right. The hare was actually frightened because the dogs were chasing him and they wanted to kill him, and nobody wants to die and specifically want to be hunted. So that is why that hare was very frightened and he was actually wild with fright. So I hope you guys have written these questions and their answers in your neat notebooks. What you have to do right now is you have to uh, take a photo of this work and send it to your subject teacher, or you can also upload it in the Google Classroom so that the answers could be checked. If you have any more questions, you can ask your subject teacher through WhatsApp group, or you can also post a question in Google Classroom. That's all for today. Have a nice day, and Allah Hafiz. Take care.